Hi amazing people, I wish that you're very happy, very fine and enjoying your life as well, and I welcome you on behalf of our company FESGI Consultant and Education Services. And in today's video I'm going to teach you French language, because if you're planning to go to France, Canada, Luxembourg, Switzerland and Belgium for any purpose, like if you want to study there, you want to do a job there, you want to start your own company, you want to apply for a spouse visa for your husband or wife, if you want to be a doctor, and also if you want to get the PR of Canada, I think in all these cases it is paramount for you to learn French language to achieve all your future goals. And I'm an expert in French language. I have been to so many French speaking countries. So now I want to help you to achieve all your goals. So now, without wasting further time, let's learn French language. And now in this video, I'm going to teach you a very special modal verb, and that's called in French language, pouvoir. Pouvoir. Pouvoir, pronounced in the same way, pouvoir, and the meaning is to can and to be able to. So you can imagine in English language we use this verb so much, so why not to use this verb in French language as well? So I will make sure that today you learn the conjugation and how we write, how we can use with the subject pronouns, and I have made some examples so that I can explain you how you can make your sentences. So I will teach you a lot of things today, so pay attention and let's start. So first of all, let's concentrate on the conjugation, how we conjugate. So here you can see per, this is the pronunciation, per, pouvoir, pouvez, peuvent. So now this is the conjugation, but I want to make sure that now you understand with the help of subject pronouns how you can use and how it makes sense for you. For example, here I have written all the subject pronouns. So now read carefully. Je peux, je peux. Here tu peux, tu peux. Here il peut, elle peut, on peut. Now nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. So this is the conjugation. And now let's talk about the meaning. Je peux means I can. Tu peux means you can. Il peut, he can. Elle peut, she can. On peut, we can, one can. Here, nous pouvons, we can. Here, vous pouvez, you can. Here, ils peuvent, they can. Elles peuvent, they can. So it's very simple now, and I can also here pronounce, so you can repeat after me, or maybe you can pause and then go back, and then again you can follow the pronunciation. So it's very simple. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. That means je peux, I can, tu peux, you can, il peut, he can, elle peut, she can, on peut, we can, nous pouvons, we can, vous pouvez, you can, ils peuvent, they can, elles peuvent, they can. So that's the way you should memorize, because if you like repeat after me, or maybe you practice a lot, then it will fix into your mind and you will memorize for your whole life, and that's the way you can remember and you can use. And now let's try to understand with the example, because I have made some example for you, and this will also make easy for you to use in a sentence. So first we have je, that means je peux gagner. Je peux gagner, that means I can win. Gagner is the verb and the meaning is win. So je peux gagner, I can win. Here tu peux courir. Tu peux courir, that means you can run. You can run, tu peux courir. Here again, il, elle, on. Here, il veut conduire. He can drive. Elle peut conduire, she can drive. On peut conduire, we can drive, or one can drive. This is the meaning. I hope you understand. And then we have vous. Vous pouvez lire. Vous pouvez lire. Lire means to read. So you can read. Vous pouvez lire. You can read. Then we have ils peuvent aller. That means they can go. Elles peuvent aller. They can go. So these are the sentences, so that I have used different vocabulary to make sure that you can understand the situation, and then you can make your own sentences, and that's how you can learn and you can remember, and that's how you can use. So I hope you have thoroughly understood, and once more I can repeat: je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. This is the conjugation, and you can make your sentences. Je peux gagner, je peux aller, tu peux écrire, tu peux faire toutes les choses. So I want to make sure that today you have learned everything, and if you have some doubts, you can contact me via Instagram, and that's the easy way to reach to me, and then I will help you. So finally, thank you so much, and keep learning French language. So now I believe that you have thoroughly understood everything, and you have learned something new today in French language. And also we offer French language classes. So if you want to make better your French language, writing, reading, listening and speaking, then you can simply contact us via call, WhatsApp and Instagram, and that's how we can connect, and then we will help you thoroughly to make better your French language, so that you can achieve your goals, you can fulfill all your dreams, and that's how you can be successful in your life. And that's the goal we have. In short, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also give the thumbs up, press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification and you can watch all our videos. So finally, thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck. Take care.